guys, how's things? So, progress, none. The reason is I have been waiting for this bad boy. So, guy in my work, I was discussing obviously my car, and he actually said to me that he had an engine hoist and he would give me a loan in it. So, Robert, thanks very much, mate. It's absolutely fantastic. I got this in the back of an up, so you know, it's enormous. Had to actually take the back of it to get it back out. So I don't even know how we got it in. So today I'm going to get some straps around the engine, and what I'll do is I'll get this lifted out, get it onto a small trolley and get that strapped on, and that'll be put to the side for another day. And what that'll allow me to do, that'll allow me to then get the subframe removed from the car, and then be able to get into where the bulkhead is and at the sides. Good thing is, once getting the engine out, it means the shell is just really free, and it's a bit more safer, because obviously the shell itself is really light, obviously with an engine in it, you know, which is probably getting short off about 150 kilograms, something like that. I don't know, guys, you probably tell me. So yeah, we'll get this cracking, get it all strapped up, and we'll get it lifted out. Let's get going. Okay, so got the jack set up, or the hoist, whatever you call it. Obviously I get this, yes, this is for keeping it left or right, but what I've done is I've gave these a loop round here to try and give them something to grip onto. And what I'll do is I'll lower this, how's that? I'll lower this to approximate, and obviously keep well out of the way in case anything happens. Okay, make sure you've got your skillies on, which I do, not falling for that one again. And then I guess it's just a case of just pumping the bad boy up and going from there. I think I was right there, okay. So let's take it nice and slowly, get a bit of tension in these, and then we'll see what happens. Let's have a look, make sure nothing, for example like that cable there, which is a battery cable or something along those lines, is out the road. There's nothing connected at the back. Engine steady, there we go. Engine steady's out. There's nothing else connected. And then I think it's just a case of we'll straighten this up. There we go, that's fucking good, damn it! And then it's just a case, I think, just lifting the engine out. Oh! I think the engine's caught on the car. Yeah, it's starting to lift the motor a wee bit there, so that shows you need to be very careful. So I'll need to make sure that that is not touching the motor, the shell I should say. Oh, this is so exciting! Please don't fall. Yay! It's it! It's it! The engine is it! Oh my god, this is so fucking scary. Right, now what? I don't know if I've got room. I've got a wee barra thing here I'm going to utilise for the engine. It's just a wee fucking a wee runner thing. I just hope for the fucking best. How good's that? Will that fit in there properly? Am I gonna have a wee bit of a faff here? Possibly. Let's see what I can do. This is on you, me guys, so bear with me. You're probably screaming at the fucking monitors like, oh, don't do that, you're off your head, you'll kill yourself. Well, needs must and all that. Right, yeah, let's do a bit. We'll spin it, and then we'll put it down. Ta-da! Engine's out! Oh man, what a fucking great feeling, I've got to admit. This has been annoying me for weeks. Because obviously I want to get working on, you know, the rest of the car, get things cleaned up and stuff like that. But the engine out means that I can start doing that. The engine's something for a later date. I'm not going to touch that until a later time. So, brilliant. Make sure that's down a bit more. And happy days. Right, let's get it tucked away somewhere. So we have the front of the car with no engine and no subframe. Ho ho ho! So we're getting there, guys, now. Yeah, most of the front actually looks really good. To be honest, except for obviously the bits I've already shown you, which is the patchwork at the here. But all the main bulkhead and everything is absolutely solid. Obviously just at the floor is where it's rotten, but and a wee bit just doing, and again, as I said, just at the floor. But nothing that can't be repaired. This can all be fixed, which is good. But the main part here, it's all good. It's all good. Also, I'll need to get inner wings and stuff like that ordered at some point. But at the moment, the engine's in the corner out the road. So I'll get to that bit last. I've been inquiring about interiors as well. I know I'm a wee bit far away from that, but some of the costs of some of the interiors, because obviously I've got these seats here, and I was thinking of getting them recovered just plain black with the seats for the back as well. But some of the prices be coming in is absolutely ridiculous. So I've been thinking to myself, I could just go and buy 2 front seats and then get someone to do the back, but someone came back with a kind of semi-reasonable price to do the seats. But I've done a wee tidy up as well. I tidied up, so I've got loads of space. Again, thanks Robert for the engine hoist. But yeah, so we're getting there.